Unicorn fam. No. Comment down below if I should pick Naya and Ellie to be my rock stars. They could come over to my house, play with my kid, because my kid, she loves new kids. I'm not trying to be mean, but she's a little rough. She does have big teeth. She's 2.5, and she loves playing with slime. She literally puts it in my hair all the time. I give her a piece of slime. She goes somewhere. She rips it. She puts it in their hair, and then they get so mad. And I'm like, that's what I knew. I knew it. I knew she was going to do that. Sorry. I might be skipping school tomorrow and playing with this slime. Having so much fun. Bye. Comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. But don't do a boo. Okay? Bye. Check to a thumbs up, but X to a thumbs down. Competitions, girl.